Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Thank you so much for coming my presentation today. My name is Mutia Hamidah. I'm from University of Bengkulu, Indonesia. In this beautiful occasion, I would like to present my presentation in the title EFL Teachers' Perception of Formative Assessment, a study of Islamic senior high schools in Indonesia. Well, let's get the ball rolling. The first about table of content. There are 5 chapters in this presentation. The first, introduction, and then literature review, methodology, result and discussion, and the last, conclusion and also suggestion. The first about introduction. First, background of the research. Formative assessment is crucial in teaching and learning. As we know, there are a lot of functions of formative assessment in teaching and learning process. The first, teacher can see the student's achievement, and also the teacher will know what are the gaps between the students, whether the students understand or not. And in the other hand, teacher perspective will affect the teacher's implementation of formative assessment. That's why in this current research, the researcher will bring out the research in the title, EFL Teachers' Perception of Formative Assessment, a study of senior high schools in Indonesia. Well, the next about research question. It is about what is the EFL teacher's perception related to formative assessment. And the key terms of this research are 2 points. The first, formative assessment is the process of instructional strategies in order to students to get student skill development. And the next about attitude or perceptions. It is about cognitive ability that influence people's behavior. Next, about literature review. The first about formative assessment. According to Black and William 2005, they say that formative assessment is mechanism to better represent and set the stage for productive learning, where the teacher provides constructive feedback for the students. Meanwhile, perspective, according to Ahmad 2013, he said that attitude is about the cognitive or ability which can give impact to the behaviors of a person or that teacher. And the last about previous study. According to Zulfikar 2017 in a title, learners' perceptions of students with regard to importance of formative assessment at Islamic Senior International Medical College. In his research, he found that the teacher has implemented the formative assessment. However, the teachers not implement the formative assessment regularly. Next, about methodology. In this research method, the researcher used a qualitative approach because it is about interpretation. Next, participant of the research. It is only 2 teachers in Indonesia, a teacher in Bengkulu, Indonesia, and a teacher from North Sumatra. Next, technique of that data collection. The technique of data collection, the researcher used interview. The next about result and discussion. The first about result. It is a sample from the interview sections with the participant. For the first question, what is teacher perception about formative assessment? And then a teacher answered this. Formative assessment is very good for teacher because it is an assessment that can be done by getting students information about achievement in a learning process. And the next questions about what is teacher's objectives of using formative assessment. And then a teacher answered, the purpose of teacher conducting formative assessment is to monitoring students' achievement in teaching and learning process. And then it can be used as a references for teacher to improve their future learning. Next, about a discussion. There are some points that we can discuss. The first about teacher's perspective or perceptions. The researcher found that the teacher interviews show that both of teachers have excellent understanding about the formative assessment, And then there are several objectives by using formative assessment according the teachers, such as teacher will know how far the progress of our students and then provide feedback between teacher and students. And the last, as a reference for teacher to improve the future learning. And the last, implementation of strategies of formative assessment. It is can giving motivation, observing students, self-assessment, and also discussion, perceptions, and the others. And the next about conclusion and suggestion. In the conclusion, the teacher has a good perceptions related the formative assessment, and there are some suggestions for the teachers. The result can be useful for evaluate our teaching, and also for the future researcher, it can be a reference for the next researcher. Well, everyone, I think that's all my presentation today. Thank you so much for your nice attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.